Dear students, last day I told you that what is project appraisal. Today, let us discuss the different methods of project appraisal. First, I told you that the first method of project appraisal is economic analysis. Dear students, under economic analysis, the aspects highlighted include requirements for raw material, यानी रॉ मटेरियल के लिए जो हमारी ज़रूरत हो उसको हाईलाइट किया जाता है। लेवल ऑफ कैपेसिटी यूटिलाइजेशन, यानी अब फिर हमें देखना है कि इसकी कितनी कैपेसिटी, अगर हम इसको यूटिलाइज करें तो उसकी कितनी कैपेसिटी है। एंटिसिपेटेड सेल्स, यानी वो सेल्स जिनकी हमें तवक्का है, पहले ही हम जिनके बारे में कह सकते हैं कि हमारी सेल्स इतनी हो सकती हैं। एस्टिमेटेड सेल्स। एंटिसिपेटेड एक्सपेंसेस, एक्सपेंस के बारे में कि हमें तवक्का है, हम अंदाज़ा लगाते हैं कि हमारी एक्सपेंसेस इतनी हो सकती हैं। और प्रोबेबल प्रॉफिट्स, यानी हम कह सकते हैं कि हमारा मुनाफा कितना होगा, फ़ायदा कितना होगा। तो इन चीज़ों की एनालिसिस जो है इसे इकोनॉमिक एनालिसिस कहा जाता है। यानी बिजनेस जो है उसके बारे में कहा जाता है कि पहले ही हमें कुछ चीज़ें, जैसे प्रॉफिट क्लियरली वी मस्ट एग्जामिन, वी मस्ट गेस द वॉल्यूम ऑफ प्रॉफिट in every type of business. So this is known as economic analysis. But profit can be, it can be viewed, it can be guessed only when we know sales, purchases, expenses and things related to profit, so that the target of profit, it can be viewed. Otherwise we cannot estimate the targeted profit. For this, anticipating sales or estimated sales, we have to know the demand of this product. But for the demand, so when we try to know for profit, it can be estimated on the basis of sales can be estimated on the basis of demand, and demand, it has some of the factors as feasibility of the project concern, so that all these things are taken into consideration while economic analysis method. So different things are project appraisal. This is one of the methods, economic analysis. In this regard, the government policies, they are also taken into consideration. The government incentives and concessions given for a particular industry, they are to be taken into consideration, and the subsidies given to the people or industrialists who start their functions in the backward areas, they are to be estimated. So all the things are to be viewed in economic analysis, so that the estimated profits can be analyzed, can be viewed. Second is financial analysis. It is the most important prerequisite for an enterprise. This finance, it is the only this component of any type of industry which brings together the labor of one machine, of another, and raw material of yet another, to combine them to produce goods. यानी ये जो है फाइनेंस जो है इसमें क्या है कि एक मशीन, दूसरे का रॉ मटेरियल, तीसरे का ह्यूमन रिसोर्स, तीसरे का और या कैपिटल, इन तमाम चीज़ों को इकट्ठा करना पड़ता है फाइनेंशियल एनालिसिस के लिए। इसमें जो है मुख्तलिफ चीज़ें हमें देखनी पड़ती हैं। इसमें फिक्स्ड कैपिटल और वर्किंग कैपिटल को एनालाइज किया जाता है। बोथ टाइप्स ऑफ कैपिटल, when they are to be carefully analyzed, then we can know that how much this viable the project is so far as the finance is concerned. Second, we have to account the working capital means excess of current assets or current liability. यानी वर्किंग कैपिटल क्या, इसको कैलकुलेट कैसे किया जाता है, excess of current assets or current liabilities, so that For that matter, we have to assess the current assets also and current liabilities also. So in that very context, we have to view the obligations of an industrialist or of an entrepreneur. So all these things, this is the second component, that how we can make the financial analysis. First is we have to find out we have to assess the financial requirements, that is fixed capital and working capital, and for that matter we have to go through the accounting so that the actual financial position can be viewed. This is second, this method for this project appraisal. And third is market analysis. Dear students, you know that ultimately every entrepreneur with the product, he has to go in the market. So he has to analyze the market as well. He has to anticipate the possible market for the product. He has to view the customers. He has to view the sales. He has to view the competition. All these things are to be viewed for market analysis. In this regard, some of the things are to be viewed. For example, opinion polling method. In this method, the opinion of the ultimate users, यानी जो हमारा प्रोडक्ट इस्तेमाल करने वाले लोग हैं उनके ओपिनियंस जो हैं उनको जाना जाता है. कस्टमर्स जो हैं उनको एनालाइज किया जाता है, उनकी सर्वे की जाती है. उसमें जो है कंप्लीट सर्वे की जाती है या सैंपल सर्वे की जाती है या सेल्स एक्सपीरियंस मेथड उसमें इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. डिफरेंट मेथड जो है उसके ज़रिए से हमारा जो ये है मार्केट एनालिसिस की जाती है. और उसके बाद ये है टेक्निकल एनालिसिस, ये भी एक मेथड है प्रोजेक्ट अप्रेजल के लिए. टेक्निकल फिजिबिलिटी ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट, इट इज़ टू बी viewed because we know that we are living in a technical world. So the technical feasibility, it should be viewed. How much technically advanced we are, how much technically advanced our project is, our plant and equipment is. So it is one of the methods for the project appraisal. And then management competence, we have to see that how much competent our management is, whether we are in a position to compete our competitors in the market. So management competence, it is very much important. If it is poor, the project, if we have poor management competence, then we cannot expect anything extraordinary from the project that we are going to start. Especially it is very much important in case of the small scale enterprises, because that is one man show. A person who is at the helm of affairs, we have to view his competence so that later on the project may not fail. So these are some of the things, some of the methods: management competence, technical feasibility, and then we had this market analysis, we had financial analysis and economic analysis. These were the 5 methods which are being used in project appraisal. I think you would have got it, and in details for the minute analysis of this project appraisal, you have to go through your chapter 14th, that is project appraisal. I think this is enough for today. Thanks.